Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to get subscription on Amazon Prime. To get a subscription on Amazon Prime, you just have to follow this step. So first thing first, open up a browser and type in amazon.com and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. So while you're on this page, what you have to do is press the profile from the top right and scroll down a bit. You could see this option as your Prime membership. So accordingly, you just have to go ahead and click on it, and in order to start the free trial or to start your trial, click on start your free 30-day trial. Next thing you could do is go ahead and add your payment details and click the continue button, apply all of that, and this way you'll be able to get a subscription on Amazon Prime. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.